Okay, so today we're going to do some quadratic and cubic problems. And most of our word problems have to make sure we understand what is being asked in the problem. So take a moment, pause the video, read this over, get a sense of what's going on. Okay, now that you're back, I will read it as well. Maria owns a cheese factory. The amount of cheese in kilograms she sells in 1 week is Q. So this is what she sells in kilograms, where P is the price of a kilogram of cheese in euros. Maria earns this many euros for each kilogram of cheese sold. So this is earnings. Calculate her weekly profit W in euros. Maria multiplies the amount of cheese she sells by the amount of she earns per kilogram. So write down the amount, how many kilograms Maria will sell in 1 week. The price of cheese is 8 euros. So I want to know the amount, how many cheese she sells. So that is what Q is. So I'm looking for Q. So if I want to do this, if I look at this function here, I know for part A, Q, I want Q at $8. That's going to be 882 minus 45 times 8. And so if I go to my calculator, I can go y equals, I already typed it into this function, and if I want, I can go to y1, and I can treat it like function notation and find out 8, and I find out that it is exactly 522 kilograms is what she sells. Moving on to B part, find how much Maria earns in 1 week from selling cheese if the price of a kilogram of cheese is 8 euros. Well, I know she has 8 euros, she sells this many. How much she earns in 1 week? Well, this is her earnings. Okay, so she earns for each kilogram, and she still sells 52 kilograms. So B part's going to be the 522 times 8 minus 6.80. And this is how much she's going to earn in 1 week. So if I take my 522 minus the 8, oh, not minus, sorry, 8 minus 6.8, and I get a 626.4 euros is what she gets on that week. Finally, C part, write down an expression for W in terms of P. Well, W is where is W? W, weekly profit. So the weekly profit, I know is like how much she earns, the price per kilogram. So I know it's going to be I sell this many kilograms of cheese, and each kilogram costs P minus 6.80. And so this is an expression for W in terms of P. And then finally D says, find the price P that will give Maria the highest weekly profit. Well, this is a quadratic, so if I graph that quadratic, if I go to here, let me insert a parenthesis, go to the end of the function, and type in x minus 6.80, close the parenthesis. And so this is x is the price, so if I set my window price of 0, and let's make the price of cheese to be 25. We'll see what that looks like. And if I zoom to fit, there's my curve, and I'm looking for the maximum. So I go trace, find the maximum, number 4. Well, I'm going to say that this is 5. My right bound is 20, and let's go for 15 in the middle. I get 13.19. So find the price. Well, the price is going to be 13.20 euros per kilogram of cheese, because I took it, I graphed it, and I found this point here, which is 13.20 is equal to my price. So in doing this problem, it's really important that you understand what all these expressions represent and how they interact. Understanding is key.